Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Scholarship World. This is your host Ajay Freedom from Pakistan. And yes, this is another day, another scholarship we are talking about. And this scholarship is by University of Eastern Finland, and it is in Finland. As we know that Finland is the happiest country on the earth, as we can see from the Google information that as for the eighth consecutive year, Finland has been named the happiest country on the earth, and the other Scandinavian countries are following it. And similarly, you can see that uh, there is a name of other countries. Scandinavian countries are there. Look, Denmark, Iceland, Sweden, and Netherlands. They are after Finland. They are in top 10 in the happiest list. Okay, so the as far as this scholarship is concerned, this is by University of Eastern Finland, and University of Eastern Finland scholarships for international students. So it is in Finland. Finland flag is here. For this scholarship is there is a good news that this scholarship is also for bachelor students as well. So this scholarship is for bachelor's and master degree students. This is the point to be noted here. So bachelor degree students, they can get benefit from this scholarship as well. So it's a good chance for all of you to apply and try to secure your admission in this university in Finland, so that you can have a good chance for your bright future in Scandinavia. Okay, so this for bachelor's and master degrees. The financial benefits will include, this is basically the fees scholarship. If your grades are very good, then you can get 100% fee off, and you will just have to pay the living expenses over there. It's not fully funded, it's a fee waivers. Sometimes it's 50% off, sometimes 30% off. Similarly for bachelor degree students. Okay, so details about University of let's talk about details about this scholarship. So Eastern Finland scholarships. Finland. Okay, so the host country is Finland. Degrees level is bachelor, master level programs. Benefits is partial scholarship. It's not fully funded, as I have already discussed. Okay, so the University of Eastern Finland offers limited scholarship to highly qualified students. Scholarships and waivers do not cover living expenses or travel costs. So it is basically fee scholarship. So these are types of scholarship by University of Eastern Finland. So there are four types of this scholarship, four types of these scholarships. So we discussed these scholarships one by one. So first one is UEF scholarship. Coverage is 100% tuition fee waiver. So look, you can see that 100% fee can be obtained if you apply for this. It's okay that more than 75%, then there is a chance that you can get 100% fee off. So this is for both masters and bachelor degree students. For bachelor degrees, because there is 3 years of bachelor degrees a duration, so you will get for 3 years for bachelor and 2 years for master degree. Then again, the UEF tuition waiver, that is coverage is 30% and 50% according to your grades. So programs offering automatic 30%. If you are selected in these programs in these subjects, then you will automatically get 30% off in your fee. Environmental policy and law, research, chemist, and joint Nordic master program in environmental law, urban sustainability studies. So these programs will automatically, you will get 30% tuition fee off. Now next is 50% tuition waiver. available for all other international bachelor and master degree programs, but granted to a limited number of students. So it's good that you should try for it. You should not think about limited number. It's always good to try for the thing. It is also always worth trying. Okay, so next is number 3, Finnish proficiency tuition waivers. And this is basically for Finnish language, to learn the Finnish language. So you have encouraged students to learn Finnish by offering proficiency based waivers. So they will take some, they will provide you tuition fee waiver for to learn the Finnish language. 100% off you can get. Similarly, 50% off you can get. So these are different levels of Finnish language courses there. Then there is another scholarship if you have applied over there for protection. Just like you can say that if you are an asylum seeker or you have applied for protection in Finland, then you can, and then in that case you can get 100% tuition fee waiver. That's very good thing if you are already there. Refund policy is also there. If a student pays tuition and later receives temporary protection status, if someone has paid full fee and later on he gets the temporary protection status in Finland, then that fee will be refunded to him or her. So who is eligible? Which nationality is eligible? So it's open to all international students from any country. That's good news. Anyone from outside of Finland can apply. Okay, so eligibility criteria: international students from outside the EU, EEA or Switzerland are required to pay tuition fee unless they meet one of them. So this is the eligibility criteria. Outside of EU, you can apply for it. So you can go through this information by yourself if you are getting some residence card, or this information is all about your stay in the Finland. Okay, so application process. We talk about application process here now. So how does the application process goes? Student must apply for the scholarships and tuition fee waivers through the admission application form. So you must apply through the admission application form. You can apply for tuition fee waiver as well. You have scholarship applied through the admission form when applying to UEF, University of Eastern Finland. So this is the first step, that you need the application form, admission form. You have tuition waiver applied through the admission form when applying to. So these both, tuition waiver and scholarship, both can be applied at the same time. And Finnish proficiency tuition waiver applied, that can be applied during your studies at UEF. So when you reach there in Finland and during your studies, you can apply for this scholarship, Finnish proficiency tuition waiver. And last one is humanitarian scholarship applied by the students under the temporary protection in Finland. So that's the case for the students who are already in Finland under temporary protection. So tuition fee for this is information about tuition fee for the bachelor's. Tuition fee for the bachelor and master degree programs at University of Eastern Finland is 10,000 euro per academic year. These fees apply only to students from outside of the European Union. So for European Union they have different fees. Okay, so for international students the fees is 10,000 pound, 10,000 euro per year. And through this scholarship you will get reduction, maybe 100% off you can get. Okay, so program duration and fee structure. So program duration, as we know, the bachelor is for 3 years, master is for 2 years. So you can make your total in fees. So the tuition fee must be paid by 31st of August in either one or two installments you can apply. So if you pay in full before you reach in Finland, then they will give you discount of 500 euros. But this date has been now passed, so you should apply for this thing. If you are able to get this fee cover, then this will be less burden on you while you study in Finland. So this is the, when you go from that link which I have provided in this video, I will put in the description as well. When you open that, you will get this page of the University of the Scholarship, tuition fee waivers and scholarship. You can go through all this page easily, and you can easily get more information if you like, if you are interested in applying to this university for your bachelor or master degree. So I hope uh, you have gone through this all information, and please like this video if it is useful for you, and kindly subscribe this channel. Thank you very much for your support, and I welcome to new subscribers as well. So talk to you again in some new video. Thank you very much. Bye bye for now.